Hi viewers, so this is another interesting episode on Brain Tech on how to have more rights requests on the Bolt driver app. So we kickstart by launching the driver app here on the Bolt driver app on how to get more right requests. The first thing you have to consider is to clear your negative balance. Always maintain a 0.00 negative balance, thereby telling the system that you are active and you support what the Bolt business is all about by clearing your negative balance. This will help Bolt to pay their workers, also fix the app where when necessary. So that is the first step, clear your negative balance. The second is to protect your ratings. Here is the rating. If you should use here, you see that Bolt now takes the Bolt rating priority so serious. So that from 4.6 and up means that you are okay. 4.4 to 4.6 means you need attention. Then when your rating drops to 4.4, you are at risk of being suspended on the Bolt platform for 14 days. Do well to protect your ratings. You see that this is a very good ratings. This is 5 star of 49% and just 1 star. This 1 star could be a result of a mistake because this driver is a carefree driver. It doesn't take charges. So you go back to telling you what you need to do in order to get good ratings from your riders. Getting good ratings has to do with maintaining a clean car, a clean environment around your car, and the way you compensate or you draw uh, conversations or how you interact with your rider will determine a 5 star. Always encourage 5 stars from your riders. Make sure you be of a good behavior in order to attract this 5 star at the end of a journey. Other things you must do is to listen or to help riders in packing their bags, giving them a comfortable environment like the AC, a clean car, as I mentioned earlier, and other things, thereby telling the system that you are a top rated driver because it should come to you, a top rated driver, when you are doing well and getting more of 5 stars that you should have, and you'll be rated a top driver, and that will tell the system that you need more rights and you will be given. So the next thing you have to watch out for is your acceptance rate. Yeah, acceptance rates have to do with how rights comes in to your profile and you accept them. The more you accept rights will give you a higher chance of receiving more rights. As you can see on this profile, this is a productive driver. It is enjoying 100% acceptance rate because he is performing well by accepting all the rights that comes in. You can as well do this by placing your account on auto acceptance, thereby giving you the ample opportunity to accept more rights, thereby telling the system that you should be receiving more rights and the system will give you more rights because you accept more rights. So the next thing we have to look at is to enable more category on your profile. So here the system will give you more rights when you enable more category. There are some cities that you have just Bolt and the airport. Other cities will give you comfort and eco. Economy is the eco. So enable all the available categories on the Bolt platform to enable you to have more rights. Other factors we need to check or we need to discuss with you in order to have more right requests on the Bolt driver app is to wash out or increase your pickup distance. When you increase your pickup distance, you tend to have more rides. Increase it to more wider kilometer in order to receive more ride requests on the Bolt driver app. Other factors we need to focus on is the Bolt reward system. You see that when you are in higher positions like the silver, gold, platinum, diamond, you will receive more ride requests on the Bolt driver app. Do well to complete all your rides in order to increase your points, especially working during the peak hours, which the Bolt platform will tell you when the peak hours is on, especially when there is such. We need to work on those hours in order to record more ride requests, thereby giving you more Bolt rewards to reach higher positions like gold, platinum, or uh, the other options here listed here, the diamond, the platinum, and the gold, I mean to say. So other things you have to do in order to request or to have more ride requests on the Bolt platform is to update your phone operating system, the OS of your phone, to the latest operating system, thereby enabling your uh, app to be as fast as possible. It will enable you to receive more ride requests. Other things you have to do on your phone in order to receive more ride requests is to turn off your battery saver. Go to your settings to turn off the battery saver for the Bolt driver app. Other things you have to do in order to request or to receive more ride requests, I mean to say, on the Bolt driver app, is to watch out for your driver score. Your driver score will increase or decrease when you avoid canceling of ride request. You can see that Bolt is telling us here that we need to do this in order to keep our driver score high. Complete rides as requested by your riders. Stay polite and respectful. Ensure that your riders feel safe. Keep your car clean and in good condition. Your driver score will also determine if the system will give you more rides or not. So maintain a high driver score on your profile in order to receive more rides requests. Most times, if you stay for hours, you don't see ride requests on your profile, do well to restart your mobile device. Most times also uninstall the Bolt driver app and reinstall it by going to the Bolt platforms like the store, Apple Play Store, or the Android Play Store, popularly known as the Google Play Store. Another thing you have to do in order to have more rights requests on the Bolt platform is to make sure that your driver app is up to date. Always go to the Play Store or the iOS store to update your app to the latest version, thereby enabling you to have more ride requests on the Bolt platform. Do you have any question for me? Check out the comment section and drop it there. Like this video, share it to other drivers to enable them to have more ride requests on the Bolt platform. Subscribe to this channel, BrainTech. Hit the share button. Check out this playlist for more interesting videos on the Bolt driver app.